Taking the pants off too, Taylor? Oh, she's got to pee. Morning, what's up guys? We're here at Graylands State Park, and I know this is unlike me, but it's about 5 AM. That's the second early morning in a row. Taylor doesn't want to drag herself out of the tent though, but I know we want to get early start so we can get to the next park and maybe even get there by lunchtime. It's 36 miles to Bruce County Park, where they do have hiker-biker camping as well. So I'm going to put some breakfast on. Just got some oats finishing up now. We've got a cup each, but I'm also eating some cherries. We've got 2 packs. One's nearly finished though. Trying to lighten the load a little bit. We ended up with a lot of food lately. We've also got all these tins of fruit and beans. All the weight does definitely add up, but I do like having the extra food. Taylor's just packing up the tent, getting a bit of work done while I'm eating breakfast.
Good morning.
How you feeling?
Good. I was like really tired and out of it, but now I'm feeling pretty good.
So we're all packed up now, we're ready to go. It's about 7 o'clock, so Taylor was saying it looks like about 2 hours is our sweet spot for getting ready, getting everything packed up, tent, doing the cooking, cleaning, and getting dressed, stuff like that. So, what is it, 36 miles?
Yeah.
36 miles to Bruce County Park. Hopefully it's a scenic route, hopefully there's a nice shoulder, remains to be seen. Let's get going. Hey, look at this. So we can definitely see why it's called Greytown. Skies have been grey this morning. It's actually kind of a little bit rainy as well, just like yesterday. Not too much to put you off riding though, which is nice. Seriously, I don't know how it happens, but I always end up riding on garbage day. There's a truck, yeah, it was the same as yesterday. It's always the same back home. Always stinky. This is pretty nice through here, guys. You can just see the coast on the right. There's the big hills on the left. There's also always a car to spoil the view. So this is our first time riding right up alongside the coast. Pretty magnificent spot. We just came sort of to the right. You can see the hill right to my left. Taylor's feeling good about it. So Taylor seems to think this was worth getting up at 5 AM for. So do I. The roads have actually been really quiet so far. It's probably like 7:30 now or so. And it really didn't take long to get to the coast. You can pick yourself up some fireworks here in the Indian reservation. Check this spot out, guys. Really beautiful view of the ocean and the trees and the cliff. This morning's been a really scenic ride. Still nice and quiet too. I think this is one of the days I'm going to end up with a whole lot of footage, because this has been some scenic as riding, which is good for you guys. Bad for me because I have to edit it all and choose what to use. But how's that, huh? This is a pretty good snapshot of the riding this morning, guys. Right up on, well, the beach kind of, I think the tide's out. The cliffs to our left and the clouds on the mountains in the distance. Check out how nice it is through here, guys. Just crossing over this bridge and there's like dense forest behind me. Really nice. So this is right behind that last shot I showed you guys. How's that? Super nice. Kind of dark, isn't it? Taylor's just getting a bit hot, so she's getting changed. Taking the jumper off. Taking the pants off too, Taylor? Oh, she's got to pee. Alright, we'll have to cut scene here. So we just smashed some cherries. Taylor used the toilet. Well, took a piss. She's took her jumper off. We got 7 miles to Raymond. We're going to pick up a couple of groceries, just some oats really, and maybe a bit of rice. Then we'll continue on. So we're only a few miles out of Raymond now. We've just come out from some descending onto these flat plains with all the big hills in the side there. Really pretty spot. So check out this pretty scene, guys, just coming into Raymond. There's a bunch of old boats on that side, some rusty old fishing boats. You can kind of hear the highway that we're going on the other side there. We've got to keep heading into town and find the bridge across. So we just made it into Raymond. We're gonna pop into this little grocery store, see if we can find a few things to eat. Wanted to film Taylor go up and in, but she literally rode right past. Oh well. Right, so check it out. This is our first sign for the 101, and we should be jumping on it now for the first time of the trip. Taylor's just gone ahead, so I better catch up. So you can actually follow the bike path out of Raymond and it gets you off the 101 for a little while, which is always welcome to be away from the traffic. Not 100% sure, but I think we're still in Raymond. This is a really pretty old little town. It's got the river right on the road. Lots of old buildings, a lot of them are empty actually. Check out how old this town is, guys. There's like some history here for sure. Hey, do you want to pull in here? World's largest oyster. So we just stopped here in Raymond again. Super cute little town, right on the river here. It's really pretty. We just talked to some people that gave us some camping advice as well. So that'll work out well. What do you reckon, Taylor?
Oh yeah, sounds like we have plenty of options, which is nice.
Yeah, actually there's a spot right in town here, just up the road, $5 a night to set up your tent, if you guys need it.
Not bad.
Let's keep going.
Okay.
Check it out, guys, there it is. South on the 101. I feel like the true ride begins now, you know. Oh. So Taylor's like a speck way up in the distance. I just stopped for another piss. Had to show you guys though. I can't get over how nice this is. I'm probably going to be sick of it by the end of it. Let me know if you like all the scenic footage or if you want less of it, more of it. Alright guys, it was quite the climb up, but we're just arriving to Bruceport County Park now. Alright, we're just pulling into Bruceport County Park now. It's quite a climb up that last bit of the hill, but we made it. We're both feeling really good about it. Pretty hungry though. It's probably right around 12, maybe just after. Alright, here it is. It's our first County Park. Forget the box, think outside, okay? Let's go around the big bump. Oh, what a cutie. Yeah, you're very photogenic. Libby. Libby. They're gorgeous. Yes, you are. Wow, they like it, don't they? Okay, so we're here at the campsite now. I'm just gonna set up the tent. I've got some lunch cooking as well. Just wait until you guys see this view. So we've been napping for the last 2 hours. These early mornings are really starting to take a toll on us. Taylor's still in the tent, but I've got up to eat a little bit more of this rice. We cooked a few extra cups. Actually, I think we cooked 5 cups of rice with beans as well. There's a little bit left. After that, we're thinking of doing a hike. There's a short hike. It is 200 feet down to the beach because we're quite high up. And I don't think I've shown you guys the view yet. So this is the campsite here. Typical little picnic bench. Got the tent set up over here. Just in the trees here, which is pretty nice. And the view behind me is the pretty sick part. It's a bit hard to see through the trees, but we're right on the cliff and the ocean's just down there. So this is the view right beside our campsite. How good is that? We're in A12, I think. So I guess the beach is way down there. This is like a steep drop off right where we are. So I've got this rice here, and I'll show you guys our food pantry. We've got a couple more of these peach slices. We've got some pasta sauce. That's a Hunt's without oil, I hope. Black beans. These are baked beans. We've got a thing of sugar, Florida crystals, rice, more rice, and we've got some gluten-free pasta as well. Pretty good. These are our oats, and we bought some more oats as well. So we've got all these packs of oats because that's all we could get. And then we've got some leftover cherries as well. I think a lot of this food's going to disappear over the next few days before Astoria. So Taylor and I are just doing the little hike that's down to the beach. It's about 200 feet down. I'm not sure if we'll make it all the way or not. Remains to be seen. Pretty good little view spot on the way down though. What do you guys think? Thumbs up if you like it. So I'm just trying to enjoy this beautiful beach. Taylor's trying to tell me scary Reddit stories of people camping and going missing and seeing ghouls and stuff like that. I'm going to spare you guys from that though, so don't worry. I really like the beach right up there. And I love how the trees come right up to the water. Makes me feel like a pirate down here or something. It's actually a pretty short walk down too, so I definitely recommend coming down, even when you're pooped after riding all this way. Okay, so we figured we'd tell you guys what the plan is for tomorrow. So we've got a ride along 101 mostly to Cape Disappointment, which is, how far is it, Taylor?
37 miles, I think.
37 miles to Cape Disappointment, which apparently is supposed to be one of the foggiest places in the US. So that remains to be seen, or not seen, I guess. And then from there, we might take a day off there. We'll just have to see. So yeah, you'll have to just stay tuned for that. We're gonna enjoy it down here a little bit, then we're gonna cruise back up and make some dinner. Taylor's trying to point out poison ivy while we walk our way back up to the campsite.
So apparently what you look for is something kind of round like this. 3 leaves and little thumbs. So I mean, I don't actually know what poison ivy looks like. This is just what I've been told.
Touch
it.
This is the trail back up to the camp, guys, if anyone wants to see it. It's pretty green, pretty dense. It's nice. Right, I just had a shave. Taylor's cooking some dinner. If you guys are interested on bike tours, I use this little Philips razor. The reason I do is it's the only one I can find that's USB rechargeable, so you can recharge it with battery banks, which is super handy. I don't know which one it is because it's all rubbed off from all the tours it's been on, but you can probably just search up Philips USB rechargeable shaver. How's dinner going, Taylor?
I'm doing a great job supervising, yeah.
Supervising?
Just waiting for the water to boil.
Oh, yeah. What are you making?
Close though. Some more gluten-free pasta, so hopefully I cook it right this time and it cooks well.
That's it there, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Gluten-free penne. It was a bit sticky last time.
Yeah, some things didn't work out quite right. We think it's because we didn't let the water like fully boil.
I think it's missing gluten.
No.
So it's bedtime. It's about, what is it, 9 o'clock?
Yeah.
9 o'clock, which means we'll get about 8 hours if we get up at 5 a.m, which is our plan. So yeah, wish us luck. If you want to see if we actually manage it, hit subscribe to make sure you catch the next video. And we're going to Cape Disappointment. It's going to be a pretty good day. A lot of climbing. So yeah, stay tuned. Thanks for watching.